Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the new channel with Aiza Freelancing Wali. So today I'm here with a new Maya session. So new Maya session topic is how do everyday appliances like microwave work? So hello Maya, how are you? Are you ready for my conservation Maya?
I'm doing well, thanks. Yeah, I'm ready to dive into how everyday appliances work. Microwaves are a great place to start. They're pretty fascinating, actually.
Great in my session. Thank you so much for joining Maya. So my first question is from you. Please tell me what is a microwave oven and how do microwave heat food? Answer me Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Safe. So, a microwave oven is basically a kitchen appliance that heats food by using microwave radiation to excite water molecules in the food. That excitation creates friction, and that's what heats it up, kind of like rubbing your hands together really fast. They're super efficient for quick heating because the microwaves penetrate the food rather than heating it from the outside in like a traditional oven does. Pretty neat, right?
Thank you so much. So my first next question is from you. Please tell me why does a microwave need electricity and why does food get hot so quickly in my microwave? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer, Maya.
Good questions. A microwave needs electricity to power the magnetron, which is this component that actually generates those microwaves we talked about. The electricity feeds into the magnetron and it creates high frequency radio waves that become the microwaves. As for why it heats so quickly, because microwaves penetrate directly into the food instead of slowly cooking it from the surface, like an oven. They target those water, fat, and sugar molecules and make them vibrate super fast, which creates heat immediately. So it doesn't have to wait to conduct heat from outside in. Make sense?
Awesome, good job, Maya. Thank you so much for your nice answer. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, can microwave had liquids and like so? How does a refrigerator keep food cold? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Okay, two questions there. Let's tackle them separately. Microwaves actually work best with liquids that have a decent amount of water because water molecules are what they target to create heat. That said, very dense liquids or those with little water might take longer to heat or heat unevenly, but they can definitely heat liquids. And for refrigerators, they don't actually make colds, they remove heat. They use a refrigerant that absorbs heat from inside the fridge, then pumps that heat out to the back where you feel the warmth. It's like a heat pump. It moves heat rather than creating coldness. It's basically a constant cycle of absorbing heat inside and releasing it outside the fridge. Pretty clever engineering, huh?
Maya, thank you so much. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Dad, please answer me like so. What make a fan spin and how does the washing machine clean clothes? So what is the purpose of a toaster? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Okay, let's break these down. For fans and pain, you're probably thinking about fan death, the urban legend. It's not true. Fans don't actually cause hypothermia or pain on their own, but they can make existing conditions worse if you're already cold or wet, creating a faster cooling effect. Washing machines clean clothes through mechanical action. All that tumbling agitates the dirt loose combined with water and detergent. The detergent breaks down oils and stains, and the water rinses everything away. And toasters, they use heating elements to create intense radiant heat that toasts bread. They essentially radiate heat energy to brown the outside of the bread while slightly drying out the inside. That's what gives it that satisfying texture. Does that make sense?
Thank you so much. So my next question is from you. Dad, please tell me how does an electric kettle boil water and why does a blender spin so fast? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
All right, electric kettles work by using an electrical heating element that directly heats up when you turn it on. This heating element is typically made of a high resistance wire that gets very hot very quickly, which transfers heat directly into the water. And blenders spinning so fast? That's down to their motors. They use these high speed motors to rotate blades really quickly, like thousands of rotations per minute. That intense spinning action creates a vortex in the liquid, which causes all those ingredients to blend together quickly. That spin speed also causes the blade to displace a huge volume of liquid, hence that splashing you sometimes see.
Thank you so much. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does a television show pictures and what makes speaker produce sound? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Nice questions. TV show pictures using millions of tiny pixels, tiny little dots of light. Older TVs used cathode ray tubes to hit those pixels with electron beams to light them up. Newer ones, like LEDs and OLEDs, work by controlling these pixels directly with electric currents to create different colors and brightness. For speakers, they use electrical signals to create vibrations. Electricity goes to a coil that's around a magnet. This makes the coil move, and that movement shakes a cone shaped part called a diaphragm, which creates sound waves that we can hear. Pretty neat when you break it down, huh?
Thank you so much. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does a light bulb work and what is the battery used for? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
All right. Light bulbs, whether incandescent or LED, work by creating light from electricity. Incandescent bulbs heat up a wire filament until it glows, giving off light. LEDs are more efficient. They use semiconductors to create light directly when electricity passes through them. As for batteries, they store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy when you connect something to them. They have a positive and negative end. Electrons flow from the negative to the positive to power whatever you're using. Basically, portable power storage.
Maya, thank you so much. So, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how do phone chargers change charge batteries and why does an conditioner do? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Okay, let's tackle those. Phones charge through an electrical port using a power adapter or cable that sends electricity to the battery. Battery charging involves reversing the chemical process that provides power and essentially stores electrical energy back into the battery chemicals. Wireless charging uses electromagnetic induction, creating a magnetic field between the charging pad and the phone to transfer energy without wires. And air conditioners? They use refrigerant to absorb heat from inside your home and pump that heat outside. Like a fridge, basically, but on a much larger scale, with fans circulating the cooled air around the room.
Maya, thank you so much. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does a vacuum cleaner collect dust and how does a water heater warm water as function of a rice cooker? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Right. Vacuum cleaners don't collect dust. They suck it up with suction created by a motor pulling air through a filter or bag. The air rushes in and carries dust and debris with it, which gets trapped in the filter or bag. Water heaters, warm water using either a heating element or a gas burner, like a kettle or stove on a bigger scale. The element or burner heats the water directly inside the tank. As for rice cookers, they work by first boiling the water inside and then switching to a low simmer to steam the rice until it's fully cooked and the water evaporates. They often have sensors to detect when the water is gone and automatically switch to warm mode to keep it from burning. Make sense?
Thank you so much. So, my next question is from you. Please tell me how do remote control work and why what are infrared signals freeze make eyes? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Mhm. Sure thing. Remote controls use infrared light to send signals to your TV or other device. When you press a button, it sends a specific pattern of light that the device reads and responds to. As for input signals, for humans, that would be our eyes, which detect light patterns, or our ears, which interpret sound waves. But for devices like computers or phones, input signals are things like button presses, touchscreen taps, voice commands, or data from other devices like cameras or microphones. It's all just information the system uses to understand what to do.
Okay, so very nice, good job. And my next question is from you. That please me. How does a sandwich make it toast right and why is appliance safety important? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
I think there might be some confusion in your question. Is it possible you meant how does a sandwich toaster work instead of make a roast? Because sandwich toasters heat up to toast sandwiches using heating elements similar to a toaster. As for updates and safety being important, absolutely. Software and hardware updates fix bugs, protect against viruses, and improve security. Safety is crucial because it helps prevent accidents, damage to appliances, or even fires. Updates help make sure everything works correctly and protects you while you're using your appliances. Did I understand the first part right about the sandwich toaster? Okay, I'm still here if you'd like to clarify that last question or ask something else. No worries if you need a moment.
So, my next question is from you. Dad, please tell me what happens during a power outage, what is an electric motor, and why do appliances need maintenance? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
All right, let's break this down. During a power outage, everything stops working because the flow of electricity is interrupted. The electrical grid goes down, so appliances that need electricity to run, well, they just don't work. An electric motor is basically what powers most appliances. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to get things moving, like the blades in your blender or the drum in your washing machine. As for maintenance, appliances need upkeep because parts wear out over time, or they can get clogged or dirty. Regular maintenance keeps them running efficiently, prevents breakdowns, and makes them last longer. Plus, ignoring maintenance can be a safety hazard, kind of like taking care of a car. Regular checkups prevent bigger problems down the line. Does that cover what you were looking for?
Thank you so much. So, my next question is from you, Dad. Please tell me why should metal not go into microwave? It can microwave cook all kinds of food like refrigerator have rubber seals. Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice.
Good questions. You should absolutely not put metal in the microwave because metal reflects microwaves, causing sparks and potentially damaging the microwave or creating a fire hazard. It's the same reason you shouldn't use aluminum foil or containers with metallic trim. Microwaves can cook lots of things, but some materials don't work well, like metal, obviously, but also some plastics that can melt or leach chemicals. Refrigerators have rubber seals to create an airtight closure, which keeps the cold air inside and prevents warm air from getting in, so your food stays cold and the fridge works efficiently. They're essential for keeping temperatures stable.
Thank you so much for asking. So, my next question is from you. Please tell me how does an exhaust fan remove smoke and what is the spin cycle in washing machine? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
Right. Exhaust fans remove smoke by creating airflow. They suck smoke filled air out of the room and vent it outside. It's essentially creating a negative pressure that pulls the smoke out. And the spin cycle in a washing machine works by rotating the drum at high speeds to remove excess water from the clothes. The centrifugal, the centrifugal the centrifugals the centrifugal force pushes the water out. Pretty simple physics, really.
Thank you so much for asking. My next question is from you, Dad. Please tell me, how does a radio receive sound signals and what are solar powered appliances? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
Nice questions. Radios receive sound signals by picking up radio waves through an antenna. These radio waves carry sound information, which the radio converts into an audio signal we hear through speakers. It's all electromagnetic waves essentially being turned into something we can listen to. As for solar powered garden lights, they work by using photovoltaic cells, solar panels, to convert sunlight into electricity. This electricity is then stored in a rechargeable battery during the day, and at night, that stored power is used to light up the LED bulbs. It's renewable energy in action right there in your garden.
Thank you so much for asking. So, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does a flashlight produce light and what make computer work? Answer me, Maya.
No problem. Flashlights use batteries to power an LED bulb. The battery provides electrical energy, which lights up the LED when you switch it on. Super simple, really. As for computers, they work on a much more complex principle. Computers use transistors, tiny electronic switches, to process information in binary code using on or off signals. Your keyboard, mouse, and screen all feed information into the CPU, which processes it and displays information on your screen. It's basically turning electricity into a series of calculations really, really quickly.
Thank you so much for asking. So, my next question is from you, Dad. Please tell me, so how do smart appliances connect to Wi-Fi and what is wireless technology? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer. So, please answer me, Maya.
Good question. Right, sorry about that. Smart appliances connect to Wi Fi using a Wi Fi chip built into the appliance itself. It basically works like any other device that connects. The appliance searches for your home Wi Fi network, you enter your password, and then it connects to your router. That allows you to control it remotely via an app or voice commands. As for wireless technology, that's a broad term for any tech that uses radio waves to transmit information without wires. Wi Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, they're all forms of wireless tech. It's about sending signals through the air instead of needing a cable. Makes sense?
So, Maya, thank you so much for asking. Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does a dishwasher clean dishes and what is the thermostat? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your nice answer.
You got it. Dishwashers clean dishes using spray arms that shoot hot water and detergent at high pressure, blasting away food particles. They often have different cycles for different levels of cleaning, and most have a drying cycle that uses heated air or a rinse aid to prevent water spots. As for thermostats, they're temperature control devices. In basic terms, they measure the temperature of a system and switch on or off the heating or cooling to maintain a set temperature. Smart thermostats can learn your preferences and even adjust temperatures automatically.
So, Maya, thank you so much for asking. Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why do appliances use different amounts of power and what is energy efficiency, and why do appliances get warm during use? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
Great questions. Appliances use different amounts of power depending on what they need to do. Something simple like a light bulb uses way less energy than something complex like a washing machine that has to heat water and spin a motor. Energy efficiency matters because it means using less power to achieve the same result. It's better for the environment and saves you money on bills. appliances get warm because when they're working, they're converting electrical energy into another form of energy like heat, light, or motion. Some of that energy always gets converted into heat as a byproduct of the process. So the heat you feel is basically wasted energy that wasn't used for the actual purpose of the appliance.
That's very good. So my next question is from you, Dad. Please tell me what are appliances safety features and how does their ceiling fan rotate into the cooker work and damaged wires be replaced and appliances repaired? Answer me, Maya.
Okay, that's a lot packed into one question. First, appliances have safety features like grounding to prevent shocks, fuses or circuit breakers to cut off power when there's an overload, and automatic shut-off functions to prevent overheating. As for ceiling fans rotating, they're actually rotating blades that create a downward airflow for cooling, or can be reversed for downward airflow in winter. Swimming pools have pumps that circulate and filter water. They aren't typically rotated as an activity. Rock pools stay still, but provide an aquatic feature. As for diamonds, they are cut into many different squares and designs, so aren't directly rotated. And appliances can be repaired by trained technicians who can troubleshoot electrical or mechanical issues and replace worn or broken parts. You'd typically hire someone specifically for that. Was there something specific you were thinking about when you asked about the rotation in diamond cuts?
Maya, my next is last question is from you. Please tell me what could future home appliances look like? Answer me, Maya.
You're very welcome. You've been asking some really insightful questions about how all these different appliances work. I'm happy to have been part of your session today.
So, Maya, thank you so much for this session, and please give me last advice to my audience, Maya.
Okay, to your audience, if you're curious about how things work, keep asking questions. Don't be afraid to tinker and figure things out. There's something satisfying about understanding the world around you. And remember that even everyday appliances have a lot of clever engineering behind them. Thanks, everyone. It's been a fun conversation today.
Maya, thank you so much for asking. Maya, my next question is from you. Please, thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for your nice session. So, viewers, I'm ended this session. This is my Maya. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, Allah, Pakistan, Zindabad, Rahan School, Zindabad, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.